Throughout this course, we'll be writing a lot of JavaScript code. And to help us along the way, I've provided you with a folder called the Modern JavaScript Starter Files. If you head over to github.com/chrisdixon161 and then into the repository, which is modern-javascript-starter-files. From here, you can download this full set of files, which is the starter files, which you're going to need for each lesson in this course. So for example, we go into the first section, and then we'll find a list of all of the lessons inside of this section. Each one of these folders contains the very bare minimum which you'll need to start with each one of these lessons. The purpose of these folders is to give us a starting point so we can just jump straight into learning about JavaScript without, for example, needing to write all of the required HTML code. Another benefit of all of these files is it also gives us a reference for all of the lessons which we've done in the past. So as we tick off each one of these lessons, we kind of have a reference which you can look back to if you ever get stuck in the future. So this is all we need to do. Just go ahead and download the folder, and you can do this from the main folder entry point. Click on the code button just here and you can download the full zip file, which we're going to open up inside of Visual Studio Code. Once this has been downloaded, you should have a zip file which you can extract, usually by double clicking the folder, and then drag this over into your text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and you should see all of the available sections over on the left. This is it. This is our starter files all complete, and we can now jump into learning all about JavaScript.